I took some sinus medicine this morning and it is doing a number on me more than usual. Hey, breaker, have you got your ears on? Hey friends, welcome to my channel. I'm JoAnn Barrandey and I'm a happy crafter, and today I'm going to hop right to this cute little Easter candy apple that I decorated. I'm going to show you how I made this. I was inspired by some of the decorated candy apples that I've seen on Pinterest. So friends, let's just get to it. First, you're going to need an apple, and I ordered these on Amazon quite some time ago. I really don't like the shape of it because they're kind of long instead of like short and squatty like this one. But you know what? I'm going to make it work, friends, because it'll be all right. I take shortcuts on some of my crafts, and on this, there's several ways that you can decorate your apple. The first thing that I've done on this one is you take your, remove the stem, and then these are candy sticks. I think like when you make your candies, I think I got a package of these a long time ago at Hobby Lobby or at Michael's, I don't remember. But I stick it in the little hole there. And then, friends, I just get to painting. And I'm going to paint this one in, I'm going to be using Apple Barrel Petunia Purple. Friends, I used to have a handle and a CB in my car, and my handle was Diamond Girl. I loved it. Those were fun times growing up. All right, let's get back to my apple here. I just got a big thick brush and I'm brushing the paint right on it. I didn't do anything else to prep it. And I don't put too much on the bottom on the first coat, because you know what? First of all, it's not going to show, and that'll stick and not dry right away to your wax paper or whatever you put it on. I choose to put mine on wax paper. Now, I've seen a lot of crafters decorate these, and everyone has a different method that works for them. My biggest problem, friends, is I can't stand to wait too long for it to dry, because I like to get to decorating it right away.
Yeah, because you could definitely kind of rough it up a little bit with some fine sandpaper and then hit it with some primer and then paint it if you wanted to. It just depends on, like you said, your time. Like, how much time do you have and how perfect do you want it to be?
Oh my goodness, I'm just one of those crafters that I want to see my finished product right away. But I do want to put out something nice. That's going to be okay. Even though some of the red is showing through, it's going to be okay.
Now, will you go back and do another coat then?
Yes, I was going to tell you, I was going to go back and do another coat. All right, when I put the second coat on, last night I jumped the gun and I went ahead and put my second coat and put the glitter on it. I used the, what is this? The Snowy Surprise of the chunky glitter that I just love to use. So I just put it on the top because I'm going to decorate the bottom. And I jumped the gun on that. I shouldn't have done it, but it was late last night and I was a little tired and I forgot. And like I said, I get over anxious. So now I'm going to take a brush, and after you get your two coats on it, don't put the glitter on it right away like I did. I'm going to take some Mod Podge. How many of you are making your Easter decorations? Comment below and let me know. I've got a little tree in the background here, and that's not the way it's going to be decorated. I just kind of threw all that on there for filming purposes and to decorate my set. But we're planning to have a live on Saturday, and No, Sunday, sorry. What was I thinking? Anyway,
I'm not giving up my Saturdays
No,
for live stream
I
for
would-
anybody.
I wouldn't expect you to. Sorry, I meant to say Sunday. Are we doing it Sunday?
Yeah, I guess so.
Are you sure? Isn't that what we said, though?
Yeah, that's fine. Sunday, yes, not Saturday.
Oh, no. No, in fact, I got a Mardi Gras celebration on Saturday. But I'll be decorating some stuff to put on my tree and also some treats. So be sure and join me. It's going to be again at 7 Central Standard Time, correct?
Yeah.
Okay,
And you'll
friend.
actually be giving away stuff this time.
Yeah,
Unlike
I
last
might
time.
even give something away today, okay? Friends, we got carried away and we had too much fun.
And we forgot to give away stuff.
Yes, we did. Okay, while that one's drying, I'm going to show you another trick that I use because, like I said, I'm in a hurry all the time when it comes to my crafts. Had these spray.
Is that?
This is spray painted.
Oh.
This
Is that one coat of spray paint?
No, it's 2 coats of spray paint. You can also spray paint your apples because, look, it worked fine on these 2 that I spray painted. And it was cold yesterday.
I wish you'd have done those in a different color because they just blend into your apron.
Well, I'm gonna, hold on just a second. I'm gonna cover it so it won't blend in. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and put the Mod Podge on this one. And I'm going to go a little thick on the bottom here. On this one, I'll go ahead and sprinkle the glitter around the top. You don't have to. I didn't do it on that other one. But I just love glitter. If it don't shine, it ain't mine, remember? Okay, so I've done that. And now I'm going to grab some sprinkles. On the bottom half. Look how cute it's already looking. You cannot go wrong. You can use any kind of sprinkles, any kind of, what am I trying to say? Any kind of decorative accessories here for your sprinkles. Look at that. That is too cute already. All right, let me move that out of the way. I'll go ahead and add some more Mod Podge to the bottom. All right. And I'm using the same sprinkles on these, on this one. I'd like to thank the people that send me supplies. I had a lot of people send me supplies last year during the Easter and spring season, and they've gone a long way, and I appreciate you, friends. Even though it's not dry, I'm still going to go and decorate the top part of it and move on. Okay, I'm going to use this as the front right there. What you have to do is very carefully remove your stick without getting Mod Podge all over your fingers.
What was the point of putting it in there?
Well, because to paint it, it's easier to hold with it. I'll put it back in there. I'll show you in a minute. Okay, what I found out works for me when I'm decorating the top. I'm still going to glue a little I took one of these little 1.4 inch little styrofoam balls and I cut it in half. There you go. And I'm gonna glue it on top of there as soon as my glue gun gets ready. Okay, so friends, also I wanted to tell you that I already have my little accessories all ready to decorate it with. And I have a video where I showed how I made the molds. I used molds to make the chick, the bunny cookie, and the candies. And I'll be doing this on my live stream, so I'll show you exactly. Now, last year I told you about these lollipops and these little swirls candies that Dollar Tree was selling. I haven't seen them yet. I went yesterday. I haven't seen them this year. But I actually sealed them with glitter paint, and then I put the resin over them. And they've been great since I did this last year, so I'm going to go ahead and use them. All right. I noticed that sometimes it takes it a while when you insert a new stick on there for it to come out in full force. All right, we're ready now. As soon as I get all these little threads out of the way. Now I'm using the spackle. I already have it ready here. The DAP. And I'm using the 1M tip. Even though this is a plastic one from the Dollar Tree, it's considered as a 1M. And it is ready. All right. Did I say I can hold it from here? It's that easy, just like you would decorate a cupcake. Now let's find our hole. There we go. Okay, I'm going to put the little bunny cookie on here. There we go. There we go. Let's get a little candy there. Let's get another one on the back. And now I'm going to put a straw in the middle. This one looks wonky as opposed to that other one I made. There we go. And I forgot my glitter. Here we go. Let me see. I think the straw is too tall. Well, it's not as cute as I wanted it to look, but it's going to be okay. I'm going to have to fix it. I'm going to go on to the next one. Oh, it will be okay. It just needs a little love. And more glitter. All right, let me set it aside and let me see if I can do a better job on that second one. Man, look at this. Okay, off we go. There we go. All right, I think that I'm gonna go ahead and put the straw in first. Perfect. Oh, no, 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 no.
Yeah, I was wondering why you didn't put your topping on first.
I took some sinus medicine this morning and it is doing a number on me more than usual. Okay, I'm gonna use my pink frosting that I had left over from another project. So let's see how this goes. Well, it really doesn't want to go. All right, there we go. Oh, this pink is really pretty. All right. That one fell right in there. Look at that. You know, I love this little confetti and everything, but it just makes a big mess. I think I'm gonna use this as the front right here. This is a cute little cookie there. I'm going to use the candy. I was really surprised how well these get preserved with that resin. Oh, that is too cute. I'm gonna go ahead and put this little bunny right here. Make room for me. And I'm gonna sprinkle it with glitter, and friends, we are done. Just wait till these dry, they'll sparkle and shine, and I'll work on that one. I'll make that one pretty, and I will show it to you Sunday on our live. I think it turned out really cute. Look at that. Oh, friends, comment below and let me know what you think. All right, friends, I'll be giving away this little Peeps set. All you have to do, #Peeps. Comment below and let me know what you think of this candy apple. Thank you, friends. Appreciate you so much. Until next time, love you and love one another. Bye.